Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chetna, obstetrician and gynecologist. Today, I'd like to talk something about preconceptional care, the steps you can take even before conception so that you can give a healthier start to your baby. Well, if you're planning to get pregnant, do not wait until you conceive to visit a doctor. Preconceptional checkup allows us to identify and manage certain conditions like thyroid, diabetes mellitus, and high blood pressure and anemia that could affect your pregnancy. In fact, it is ideal to start folic acid at least 1 month prior to your conception so that certain birth defects of the baby can be avoided. Maintaining an adequate weight, having a balanced diet, taking a regular exercise, avoiding smoking and alcohol, and reviewing your medications with your doctor are ultimately important. And if you're having any PCOS or irregular periods, or you're just trying to conceive without success, kindly seek medical advice without waiting. A healthy pregnancy begins even before conception. Thank you.